everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amber Westbrook and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this color of hair at home on my own for super cheap. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Feel free to subscribe below and let's get right into it. So the first thing I always do is put gloves on my hands for protection. Then I'm going to use this mixing bowl and brush to add my Color Charm Wella 050 toner. And I'm going to put a ratio of 2 to 1 for developer to toner. So I'm going to fill up this bottle 2 times with developer so that I have 2 amounts of developer and 1 part toner mixed together. Then I'm going to mix it until it basically looks like goop. I always think this is super disgusting, so you can see it right there on my face. It's nasty. Then I'm going to clip up the rest of my hair and start partitioning out just the bottom part of it. I'm going to make sure it's coated on the top and the bottom. And then all I have to do is section out the next pieces of hair. I take about, I don't know, ½ an inch to an inch and clip the rest of it up. This is not an exact science because I'm coloring all of this, but the most important thing to note is that only the bleached part of my hair is going to be toned this color. The part on my roots that is dark is too dark of a color and it's not going to take this toner. So make sure that your hair is a super high level and then just do it in the different sections as I'm doing it. I wait for it to turn purple and I clip it all back up, and then I'm going to wait about 30 minutes and be super bored. And then I'm just going to wash it out. This is the color when it's wet. I think it looks pretty dark here, but once it's dry, it looks a lot lighter. If you want a lighter color than this and you're doing it at home, you can leave it on for less time, or you can do what I do and have it darker until it washes out, and then it lasts a lot longer, even though it's a little bit darker at the very beginning. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I do my curling, leave me a comment below and let me know. Just to remind you what it looked like before, here is it blonde, and this is the silvery purple tone that I absolutely adore. I do this a lot of times in the winter, but let me tell you, the summer sun hitting this color is absolutely stunning. So thank you for watching my video. Please give it a like and a subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. And until the next one, I'll see you later.